Hello guys, this is Mohit Goda and today I'm gonna share 5 photography tips for beginners. Tip number 1, shoot in RAW. So if you're a beginner, you have already heard this, but I'm gonna explain you what is RAW and why to use it. What is RAW and how is it different from JPEG? So JPEG is like a finished painting, whereas RAW is just the outline of the painting. You can put in whatever colors you want and give it a different look as you want. For example, this is a JPEG image. So here the camera has decided the color tone and temperature already and processed it. So now if you want to change the color tone or temperature, the picture will lose the quality. And this is a RAW image. Here I have processed the color tone and temperature and given it a different look. As you can see, the colors pop out and the image looks much better than the JPEG image. Tip number 2, understanding aperture. So what is aperture? Aperture is the opening of the lens. As the aperture opens up, the background gets blurry, and as the aperture closes, the background gains more details. As you can see in this video, as f-stop gets lower, the background is getting blurry, and as f-stops gets higher, the background is gaining more details. Tip number 3, play with shutter speed. To make it simple, shutter speed is time taken to capture an image. As the shutter speed gets faster, you freeze the motion, and as shutter speed gets slower, you create the motion.
This image was shot at 1,000th of a second. So here we are freezing the motion, and this image was shot at 4 seconds. As you can see, here we are creating the motion.
Tip number 4, focus on eyes. So whenever you interact with people, what is the first thing you see? Yes, you look at their eyes. So it's obvious that when people see your pictures, they notice the eyes first. And also, eyes is at the center of your face. So by focusing on eyes, you are creating proper depth to your face. Tip number 5, fill the frame. So how does this frame look to you? Too much of blank space, right? So yes, what I see people doing often is they leave unwanted blank space. So by doing this, you're losing people's attention. There's not much for people to see in the picture, so they don't look at your picture. But yeah, sometimes when you are capturing the picture for editorial or saying a story, leaving out blank space works. So guys, these were the 5 photography tips for beginners. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And for more such content, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading 2 videos every week. Thanks for watching.